Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a duct tape coin purse or library card holder. You will need a ruler, scissors, something to write with, some Velcro stickies, and the duct tape of your choice. First you take your duct tape, then you cut out 4 pieces that are about 7 inches long each. You take your pieces of duct tape, you put them side by side so they just overlap just enough to stick together. Like that. And then you take your other 2 pieces and lay them down carefully on top of the 2 pieces you just stuck together. Like this. Then you take the circle from your duct tape, or you could also use a cup or bowl. And then I'm going to trace a half circle on my duct tape. I'm going to cut it out. We're going to trim this end too. And now I'm going to fold this end up to meet that end like this. And that is about 2.5 inches. So I'm going to cut off 1 piece of duct tape that is about 2.5 inches long. I'm going to cut that piece of duct tape in half. I'm going to stick 1/2 over here and the other half on this side. I'm going to trim off the edges. And put on my Velcro. Stick 1 piece here and the other piece on top of it. So when I fold over my holder, it knows where to stick. Like that. And then I can stick in my library card or coins. Enjoy!